If you want fantastic looking lawns, use one of these Draper Petrol Powered Lawnmowers. There's a mower to suit all types and sizes of lawns. There's no risk or danger of struggling with power cables, just the freedom to move around your garden without restriction. The powerful, economical 4-stroke engines will cope with both medium and large-sized lawns. Each model benefits from oversized rear wheels, making turning and mowing around obstacles easy. Quick single-lever height adjustment helps you achieve a professional appearance on all types of lawns. Built with strong steel chassis and cutting decks, folding handles make transportation and storage easy too. Generous exit chutes fill the collection bags efficiently and minimize blockages in the chutes. Some models have a self-propelled drive system, taking the hassle and strain out of pushing a mower up or across grass slopes. Different models are supplied with different accessories, allowing you to cut, collect and mulch too. The mulching process adds extra nutrients to the grass by depositing the cuttings back onto the lawn. Our top-of-the-range model uses a Briggs & Stratton engine with ready start technology, meaning you don't have to prime the engine before starting it. Make mowing a breeze with a Draper Petrol Powered Mower.